Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Lexicon Ledger.
Hi, Aileen. Hi, everyone.
How are you doing today, Alhena?
I'm great. I just drank coffee, so I'm super energetic. How about you?
I'm good, just a little excited for today's topic.
Yes. Today we are talking about tell me about yourself.
This is the #1 question in interviews, when you meet new people, or in English class.
And we will teach you easy English sentences so you never feel nervous again.
If you are enjoying this episode, please click the like button right now. It really helps us.
And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our new lessons every week. Share this with your friend who is learning English too.
Okay, Alhena, imagine we just met at a party. Ask me the big question.
Sure. Tell me about yourself.
Hi, my name is Aileen. You can call me I for short. I am 25 years old.
25? You look younger. Where are you from?
Thank you. I am from the Philippines, but right now I live in South Korea. I am an English teacher. I teach kids online.
Nice. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 younger sisters. They are very noisy, but I love them.
What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like reading books, especially romance novels, and drinking coffee. I am a real coffee addict.
Coffee addict. I like that phrase. So let me repeat the new words. You can call me for short, right now, in my free time, addict. Great job.
Thank you. Now it's my turn. Alhena, tell me about yourself.
Okay. Hi, I'm Alhena. I am 27 years old. I am from Toronto, Canada.
Toronto, is it cold there?
Very cold in winter. Now I live in Seoul with my husband. I am a YouTuber and English teacher.
Cool. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have one cute dog. His name is Mochi. My hobby is dancing. I dance almost every day.
Wow, so the new words here, with my husband. Cute. Almost every day. Perfect. Let's practice more.
I am Maria. I am a student. I study business. I am from Mexico. I like playing soccer and eating tacos.
I am John. I am 30 years old. I am an engineer. I have 1 daughter. My favorite hobby is fishing. So remember the easy order. Name, age, where you are from, where you live now, job or student, family or pets, hobbies and likes.
You don't need perfect English, just simple and clear.
We hope you learned useful sentences today like, my name is, you can call me, I am from, but now I live in my free time, I am a real addict.
Now we have a question for you.
In the comments, write your own answer. Hi, my name is, I am years old. I am from, I like. We will read and reply to as many as we can.
In the comments, write your own answer. Hi, my name is, I am years old. I am from, I like. We will read and reply to as many as we can.
Thank you so much for watching the Lexicon Ledger.
Have a wonderful day and see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye for now.